Hi everyone.
Hello.
Happy Sunday evening. My mom Cassie.
Hi. How are you?
Hopefully you're all doing well. So we are making, what are we making?
We're making dishwasher soap.
Dishwasher soap. The thing to think about is whatever you're using on your dishes, that sort of thing, if it's toxic or it has those toxic chemicals, it can go into your system. And then if you're touching it, that sort of thing, it also will go into your system through your skin. So trying to eliminate those toxins, trying to eliminate some of that body burden that can happen is huge because it can affect your lymphatic system, your energy, your mood, your emotions. We talk about mood, but it can affect your emotions, your hormones. What else? Your skin. It can irritate your skin. So you want to think of those things. This is super, would you say cheap? Easy to make?
Yep.
Okay. So we're going to show you what we're doing. Hold on, Mom.
Okay.
I got to turn the camera around. All right. So there's Mom. You're really close. So here we've got our ingredients. So what are you putting in there first, Mom?
I'm doing 1.5 cups of citric acid.
Okay. Hold on. You got to show them. So how are you storing your citric acid? Because I know you got it in a big thing. I have a lot of people ask me, how do you reuse your trim shakes or some of your big containers from doTERRA? Here's an idea, ladies and gentlemen. You can reuse them by putting citric acid, label maker, love it, and then she's reusing another one to put her dishwashing soap in. So there's a little doTERRA hack for you. But you can do this with other things. So how much was it again? 1.5 cups of citric acid.
So this is half. I'm going to use the half because the big one doesn't really fit.
Oh, it doesn't fit? Okay. I was trying to be nice. So there's 1 cup of citric acid. And where do you buy your citric acid?
Oh, I bought it from Amazon.
Amazon? Okay.
And it's a big bag.
How big? Big bag?
No, it's
Her eyes got really big when she said that.
a big bag.
You guys missed it.
There's not much in this compared to what's in the bag.
All right.
Okay, so 1.5. So then 1.5 of the washing soda, not baking soda. That would be
This is laundry booster. Okay. Super washing soda. Yep. And then we will be using baking soda, right?
Yes, we will.
But you need this. This is different. And you said 1.5 cups. So she's doing a cup there. And then you also have the half.
Here's 1.
So this is something I made for a while and I like it. We'll tell you what we do for a rinse aid, a natural rinse aid, after we get this done.
Okay, so 1/2 cup of baking soda, which I'm not sticking that in.
I need a big spoon. Oh, different spoon. Look at these cabinets I organized. Aren't they so pretty?
This is from Costco, so you know how
Mm-hmm. So how much is this? 1/2 cup?
we're doing 1/2 cup.
Okay.
Okay.
There's 1/2 cup.
And then 1/2 cup sea salt.
It's a lot of sea salt.
It is. Some of the recipes I've seen call for kosher salt, I guess.
Okay. So it probably doesn't matter.
Either one, I suppose.
Again, Costco might be your best bet to get a big bulk. All right.
Okay, and the last thing I put in it
So this is only 5 ingredients, guys. 5.
is lemon essential oil. That's my choice.
You could do what?
Purified,
Okay.
On Guard,
Okay.
or any citrus, I guess.
Yep.
You want something that's going to clean.
Citrus is very cleansing and helps get sticky stuff off. I call it my goo on. So how many drops of that?
12.
There you go. Now, You notice it's only half full. So she could probably double this recipe and make it
lasts
a lot more. It does?
Yeah, it only takes a tablespoon per load.
Okay.
So
a tablespoon per load. It lasts forever.
I put this in there. It's my Pampered Chef, sorry. It's supposed
It's
to be
okay.
brown sugar.
Oh, it's the brown sugar to help it from clumping. Have you noticed it helps?
Yeah, actually does.
It does, okay. Because that was my issue. My only issue is I had to use a butter knife to get this stuff out of there because it did clump over time. Somehow we got a lot of moisture in it. Being the humidity in Wisconsin, that's what I had the issue.
Have as much problem as you do, but
So, but that's a trick. If you know a Pampered Chef person, get the brown sugar preserver and it'll help with, throw it in there and it'll help with the clotting that takes place.
this is my
There you go. And there's her little scoop.
scoop that I use in it.
There you go.
There you go.
Voila! Super easy, super simple. So, yeah, super easy. We reused a few things, and it's the homemade dishwasher detergent. So, nice and gentle on your immune system, your body in general. And again, it was 5 ingredients. That's it, 5. So for a natural rinse aid in the dishwasher, this is something people always ask me about. Vinegar and lemon oil, or vinegar and some sort of citrus. That's all I do in my rinse aid, and it works great. I use that as a softener, homemade softener for your laundry. You can come over here and nod.
Yes, I do too.
She does it too. It does work. It also lightens and brightens things. Does not bleach things, but it lightens and brightens your clothes, even some of your colors, because sometimes they get a little dull over time. So it keeps your clothes. Those are some simple do-it-yourself hacks for dishwasher, a little bit of laundry. Stay tuned. I think tomorrow we're going to make homemade laundry soap. It makes 10 gallons, you guys, of laundry soap for, you want to say like $5? Less than 5?
Oh, yeah. Easy.
Yeah, the initial purchase is a little bit more.
$5 for the 5-gallon bucket that you store it in.
Well, yeah, okay.
That's
The
$5
initial
right
purchase might
there.
be a little more expensive, but as you remake it, it's going to be probably under $5 to make it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's super cheap. So I'm excited to show you. I was going to show you with my godmother because we made some the other day, laundry soap, but stay tuned tomorrow. We will show you do-it-yourself laundry soap. Again, these are things that are great for your immune system, great for your skin, and great for your household to just keep you guys healthy and well. And this is crucial. We don't think about the toxins that burden our bodies in our dishwasher soap, in our laundry soap, our softeners. These are some super easy tips and tricks. The reason I started it is to budget. Being a ministry family, now a military family, budget. That was huge. And then when I noticed the benefits of supporting our immune systems, I was sold. It was amazing. So, double whammy there, and it's totally worth it. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you all later. Happy Sunday. Stay healthy, stay well, and see you next time. Bye, everyone.